There's a pretty good chance you found this video because you're into Meshtastic, but you want a little extra power. Now here's your solution, the 1-watt booster kit from RAKwireless. Now you may notice some similarities between the 1-watt booster kit and their original WizBlock system kit. That makes adding GPS and environmental metrics very easy. RAKwireless was generous enough to supply a sample unit of their 1-watt booster kit, but I went ahead and ordered one of my own so that I could do a little more interesting things with it, let's call it that. We're still in the fit and finishing phase of this. This is a open source design on printables.com that I printed out, and I am figuring out what kind of lengths of wires I need and everything. There's a battery below the tray here. Still got the Bluetooth antenna, GPS antenna. I have an external GPS antenna if I decide to use that, but right now I'm just seeing if I can get away with the inside one and then maybe change the design around a little bit. So now you're wondering, I have a solar setup. Will this work for that? Actually, yes, it'll work perfectly even if you already have one of these solar kits. Everything should drop in without modification. You'll get the extra boosting power, still solar charging, all that cool stuff. So if you got one of these, this is definitely a worthwhile upgrade. If you already have a 4631, it might be time to get the 1-watt upgrade. RAKwireless was generous enough to send this one out to me, but I've been wanting one for a while, so I picked one up. It was already on the way before they even asked me about it, so it worked out. Now, I think for your Meshtastic and Mesh Core projects, this is probably one of your best starting options, especially for a solar, outdoor, or even mobile rig like this. I'll go ahead and include some photos here of the testing I've done so far, primarily just getting out and making sure everything works, but, beautiful views nonetheless. This is just my opening tabletop review. I will be doing a longer form test on the mobile and solar capabilities of these guys, checking link quality over long range, and possibly some outdoor stuff. Go ahead and check out the link in the description where you can find more about RAKwireless and all of their IoT projects.